Hello guys. So today we will start with Spring and we will see Spring Boot. And one more actually very important topic regarding the ambiguity in the beans, whatever we create, and auto wire by name, auto wire by type, what is qualifier annotation, how to use that primary, uh, all these things we will see today. It's very important topic in Spring and in Spring Boot. Okay, so first of all, we have this main method, and in this main method, you all know it is annotated this class with @Spring Boot application. So all our component scanning will start from this class, where this class is present in which package. Okay, so we all know that this run method is there, and it is the return type. If you hover it, the return type of this main method is nothing but application context. So we can assign it to application context. Okay, application context. So we got now application context. No need to create it separately. Okay, and you can use this application context to get the beans. So we will create one text file here. I will show you, and actually in that text file I will show you what exactly need to do. Okay, untitled. Okay, text file, and we will work on one real life example like this one. Suppose there are developers working in various companies, and developer also actually always want to learn the various languages. So there are various languages like Java is there, Python is there. Okay, and this developer is nothing but one component. It's a real world entity in this world that is called as component in Spring, and developer want to learn the language, means language is the dependency of the developer. Okay, and so we will take the example of two languages, Java and Python, and developer can choose which language he want to learn. Okay, so this is our problem statement. So okay, so let's Java patch. Okay, let it be. Okay, in this we have saved it. So we will create our classes. Okay, so we have developer is the one class. Okay, so we will create one interface, that is our language interface. Developer is nothing but one component. We all know how we create the beans by using component. Okay, developer want to learn the language. Public void learn language. Okay, and this is nothing but language. Okay, so we create it as this is called interface. So add the auto edit, and language interface is getting implemented by for now we will take two examples. Okay, two languages. That is Java. Okay, Java is one language, it is one class, it is at the component, and it implements language interface. This language interface is having one method, learn language. Learn language method is there. Okay, so and this Java is actually implementing that method. So we will write it down here. Sits out statement so that you will understand. I am learning Java. Okay. Similarly, this we will have one more language, that is Python, and this Python is implementing language interface. Okay, and also it is a component. Okay, and we can implement our unimplemented method, and we will write sysout statement, that is I am learning Python. Perfect. We have all set all these things. Developer, okay, and here language dot. Okay, language dot one minute, machine got hanged out. Okay, language dot what is there, learn language. Perfect. So now we have developer, and we will get application content dot get b. Okay, and developer dot class, we will pass that, and we will get developer back, developer bin back, and we got the developer bin back. So we will call that method developer dot learn language. As soon as we finished all these things, when we run this, then it will get ambiguity, because developer at a time can only learn only one language. He cannot learn both the language at the same time. So either he should learn Java or he should learn Python at the same time. Okay, not both. But here we are saying learn the both. So he is confused. Now let's run this program. What error you will get? What error you will get when you run this program? Just read the error message very carefully so that you will get understand what the actual error is. Okay. Perfect. Application failed to start. See, read it carefully. Field language. In the class, this developer required a single bin, but it found two bins. One is Java and Python. You got it right. So this is ambiguity, because developer, how the Spring know? Spring will not know which language they need to learn, or which language the developer is learning. So in order to resolve this ambiguity problem, we will have three solutions for this. We will learn all these solutions one by one. Like we can make this any language as primary. So I don't want to learn Python at all. So we can make it as primary, @primary. As soon as we make it primary, so this will get preference very first, and developer, we are saying that developer is want to learn his language as Java, and it is primary language. So let's run it. Okay. Now what is happening? Just observe. Okay, I am learning Java. So now we make the bean as primary, Java language as primary, at the rate primary annotation added on top of the class. So we are saying that developer only wants, Now developer want to learn only Python. So just make it at the rate primary Python. Perfect. Run it again. Observe the console output. What you will get? I am learning Python. Developer is learning Python. So you understand like what is at the rate primary annotation. So your question might arise that what will happen if I make both the language as primary. So that is the wrong case. Why? Because at the same time you will not able to learn both the language, right? And suppose I'm making primary both languages and I'm running it. Observe the console, what error you will get. Okay, observe the console, what error you will get. Learn from errors. Okay, so read it. Unsatisfied dependency expressed through language, no qualifying being of type language available, more than one primary being found among Java and Python. Okay, it's very readable and very clear and concise. So we understand how to resolve ambiguity problem using at the rate primary annotation. So let's remove this primary annotation. We will see another way of how we can resolve that one. Second way of resolving it is, this is the, actually we are using by type. So we can change it by name. So whatever the class name is there, we can use same class name. Just copy this Java class name, go to developer and tell this that I want to learn Java here itself. This is AutoWire by name. This is AutoWire by name. I am telling that I want to learn Java. So my interface reference variable name is Java. So I am telling straight away I want to learn Java. Run it. Okay. So you will get output I am learning Java. So in the same way, suppose you want to learn the Python, just copy the class name. Okay. Put it here, give as a reference variable name. And, you are all set. Python, run it. So this one is the main class. This one is the main class. So now you will get, because straight away we are saying, right, which one is to I am learning Python. So now the third way of resolving ambiguity is, you don't want to change the reference variable name. You want to keep it as it is. Okay. So third way is resolving it by using at the rate qualifier annotation. So here I will write at the rate qualifier annotation, and in qualifier annotation I will give one qualifier name, that is Java, suppose Java language. Okay, and in Java this same qualifier name I will give to class name, Java class name. Java class name. Now we are saying that just use this qualifier. So run it. So now you will get I'm learning Java language, because qualifier you provided that. See, I'm learning Java language because the qualifier you provided there. So now just change the qualifier name, that is Python language. Python. This name can be anything. Okay. Just don't think that we need to give the same name. This name can be anything. So and the Python language, and run it. you are learning Python. So you understand, right, how to resolve ambiguity problem using @primary annotation, using by changing the name of the interface reference variable, and third way is by @qualifier annotation. Okay, so it is very important concept. Please remember it and stay tuned. And okay, thank you so much.